Now this might be one of the best business ideas I've ever shown you, and so exciting at the same time. What if I told you that you can create your own branded clothing line like Adidas or Champion, exactly like athletes have, and all that completely legit with zero investment? Exactly like I did with this SimplyHustlers Adidas t-shirt, or this SimplyHustlers Champion t-shirt. This is approved by the brands, and there are so many more that you can select from. And after I show you this, I will also show you how to sell to millions of visitors per day by just using one single website. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's do this. So the website I'm talking about is Printify. It's a well-known print-on-demand website. We have covered that again in one of my previous videos, but this is not the unique idea I talked to you about. We're gonna use Printify to leverage a brand new feature that I haven't seen before in any other print-on-demand website. So all you gotta do is create an account completely for free. Click right here, and you're gonna see while you sign up this announcement from Printify. This is brand new, and they have partnered with Adidas and many other big brands to allow you to create your own branded clothing lines completely for free, and it's 100% legit. So no more poor quality of clothes when you send them to your desired customers. Printify is also taking care of the fulfillment, the shipment to the customer, the entire infrastructure, so you don't need an e-shop. So let's see exactly how it works. Create an account right here. So once you sign up, you're gonna see the dashboard, and I want you to go here in the catalog where you're gonna see brands. Click here, and this is the list of all the brands that are available for every region, and you see the first one is Adidas, American Apparel, Arctic Zone, AS Color, BNC, Champion, and so many more. So of course, I will start with Adidas. And as you're gonna see here, you have available t-shirts, unisex, and hoodies. And all that in a variety of colors with the quality of Adidas. So let's say that I want to design a new hoodie, right? You see the product characteristics here. It's unisex for males and females. And you can customize the design by adding your own logo, personalized design, AI-generated design, whatever you want. So select the hoodie right here, hit start designing. Now all you gotta do is go here and upload your own design. Logo, your quote, your AI-generated image, whatever you want. I will select my logo, this, I will adjust it in a way that is as big as possible. I'll put it right here. And on the back side, I can do the same. I can add another graphic, or I can add something like a quote that I will write right here on my own. Never quit, just hustle. Adjust it, make it look aligned, and add it in the back like this. I will save the product, and you can instantly look the mockups of the product that Printify generates for you. So the product in white looks like this. Check it out. You see the Adidas logo right here, my own logo right here, and the slogan on the back of the hoodie. Looks great, right? Printify has a title ready for you. You can make it more specific, SimplyHustlers line. You have also the recommended retail price ready, and the profit that you can make out of a single sale, 40% margin, which is absolute great. And of course, you can modify the retail price. So if you want to sell it cheaper, like $70, you see that the profit is being adjusted accordingly. Now we would like also to add more variants, so more colors available for people. I don't think that way it's good for us. We will go for gray, sure, black, absolutely, maybe blue, or maybe navy, light gray as well, safe products. And you see all the different corners of the products we created, along with the mockups on the very top. So SimplyHustlers meeting Adidas. You can add as many products as you want in your catalog. So as you see, I have created my listing right here, 5 colors, 8 sizes, 40 variants in total. These are some previous designs that I created. For example, this is my Champion hoodie that I did with the exact same way, but this one has the Champion logo on it. As you see right here, looks pretty cool, right? And you can add t-shirts, more branded products from other brands, and so on and so forth. And all that with zero money, zero investment. You don't need to find wholesalers. You don't need to find a way to ship it to your clients. All you need to do is focus on the brandings. Now, if you need help with the design, if you don't have a logo, if you don't have a specific design, you can go to Ideogram,
Midjourney or any other AI art generator and create your own unique design that you can add in your branded line. So as I said before, if you don't have a logo, you can create simple design, an illustration, something that is relevant with your brand or the concept that you want to create. And Ideogram is a great platform for that because it also gets the letters correct. So if I write, for example, create for me logo for sports brands with leopard is the text leopards beneath. You just select the aspect ratio, the visibility, what kind of design you want to create, like illustration, typography, hit generate, and check this out. With just a simple prompt, not a sophisticated one, you can generate something that can be your own brand. And if you want to turn that into a logo, you can just use this design and give it to a Fiverr designer to modify it to make it even better, even more unique. So just go here, download the design in PNG quality, JPEG quality, and add it in your Printify branded line. So you have your branded clothing line ready, right? You have created your catalog, you have added your designs, you have selected the lineup of clothes you want to sell. What's next? What are you gonna do? Many people are expecting print on demand to be an A to Z kind of a solution. So they don't do anything but just adding a design. A magic way is to start selling. That's what, right? Maybe in fairy tales, real life, there's no such thing as A to Z, completely passive way of making money. I'm sorry if I disappoint you, but it's not like that. However, there are great ways, if you don't have an audience, like I do, or an established plan, to hijack existing traffic from platforms like Etsy, TikTok, and Printify helps you with that. So what if, when we create our store, like I did right here, SimplyHustlers store, go at the very bottom where it says connect a store because we need to start selling. And as you see here, you have this option, the connect button. As I said before, this is a completely free version of Printify. I don't have to pay anything. If you want to try the premium version, there are obviously benefits like bigger margin, multiple stores that you can create, and many other benefits. But so far, you can do everything free. So check this out. Printify gives you the option to connect with Etsy. Etsy, if you didn't know, has millions of visitors per day. This is my store on Etsy where we're selling different templates for Instagram carousels, but you can create a store for everything. Branded t-shirts, caps, posters, whatever you want. And as I said, this store gets into a marketplace that millions of people visit per day and search relevant products. So if you want to have an extra benefit versus trying to sell everything on your own, go on Etsy and connect your store through Printify like this. Just follow the steps, connect with your existing Etsy store, or even do that Shopify, TikTok shopping, which is only available in US right now, because TikTok shopping is a feature that only US has. Sorry for that. And there are many other options like eBay, Squarespace, Wix, Walmart, and why not create one store to every single one of them? If you're in US and you want to do that with TikTok shopping, just connect it to your account and start creating content for anything you want, wearing your own merch in these videos. Add it in your link bio. Once you get more traffic, people start paying attention to your store. If you don't want to do anything from these examples, just start creating content. Just start building a brand. Just start bringing eyeballs in front of your content for the reason that you're good at. So for example, I know marketing. And start teaching about marketing and business, giving business tips, income ideas. If you're in fitness, do the same. If you're in cooking, do the same. Start creating a valuable path towards your content, and print on demand is a great way to monetize with zero investment. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the subscribe, the like, share it with somebody who will need it, and let me know in the comments what is the next video you want me to create. Because on this channel, you ask and I obey. Stay focused, keep hustling, and I'll see you very soon.
Let's talk about the first and things are working. Oh.